600 million people own a car in the world. Facebook has more than 800 million registered users. Around 1 billion people speak English. But there is something which is more common in all of us. More than 4 billion of us drink coffee. If we say coffee, everyone thinks of the same. According to surveys, the 83% of the adult population drinks coffee every day. Some like instant coffee, some are fond of latte, but one thing is for sure, it is a part of our life, our daily routine. Coffee drinkers don't forget to drink their coffee, and they don't want to cancel their daily intake. They don't have to. The only question is, are they willing to try a different coffee and feel the difference? One thing is certain, anyone can speak about one's coffee drinking habit with empathy. One can be anywhere in the world. From Kuala Lumpur to Dubai, from Venice to New York, from Paris to Budapest, the love of coffee connects us all. No business investment, no accomplishment requirements. Every coffee drinker knows several other coffee drinkers. Facebook, Twitter or mobile phone, communication accelerated and the news of great opportunities spread really fast in the 21st century. And why should the opportunity not be embraced, especially if the opportunity would lie in coffee? Whether a friendly chat or a business talk, a good coffee is essential. Join that part of the 3 billion coffee drinkers who realize the opportunity in coffee. Why would not you share in profit from this turnover? The really big businesses are done beside a good coffee. Oriental medical science aims at healing the body by normalizing the cells, tissues, organs, and systemic functions to achieve optimum wellness and cure diseases. Western medical professionals had recently recognized this as preventive science. The easiest way to achieve this homeostasis is by taking Ganoderma, which is a mushroom belonging to the family of Ganodermatacea. It is a medicinal mushroom, which despite being used in China for 2,500 years, until recently was only available for the highest class of society. Based on thousands of years of experience, it is known that its components normalize the physical processes, gear up toxin excretion, and supply the function of the immune system. Ganoderma is used in clinical practice as component of medicines. Western medical science also took notice of its results in the treatment of tumor-related diseases. Scientific researches prove the liver defender, antibacterial and antiviral effect of Ganoderma, but it has significant results in the regulation of blood pressure, blood sugar and cholesterol level. But how can we manage to have Ganoderma as part of our everyday life? The solution is a cup of black coffee with Ganoderma. The success story of coffee began in the 15th century. From that time, coffee is known for its energizing, refreshing effect. After some decades, the coffee house culture spread, and the rest is history. Based on further researches, we should look at coffee in a new approach. It turned out, due to its high content of natural antioxidant, coffee is not even unhealthy, but it has a positive effect on the body. Studies prove that the main reagent of coffee, caffeine, in some cases holds up tumor cell growth, besides increases physical condition, gears up the effect of painkillers, and if consumed within reason, reduces the risk of many diseases, among others the risk of large bowel cancer and a contracted liver.
Hello everybody, magandang umaga, good morning. Welcome to our Zero Fox Given Mondays, and I am Tina.
I'm Darlene.
And we have...
Hello, I'm Zai. Good
evening. Magandang kape. So good morning, magandang umaga. And we have a very interesting topic today. We just thought about it yesterday, and we thought it was like it's fitting to share about sunya, porrhea, and suicide. So yan po yung ating topic for this evening. So what is the relationship between sunya, porrhea, at suicide? Bakit ito yung ating topic, no? But when tomorrow is September, right? So once September, pag dumating na yung September, that is actually the month of World Suicide Prevention Month or Day. Merong day. I think it's September 10. No? So medyo maaga lang kami kasi advance kami mag-isip. At saka advance lang kami mag-isip. Like, bago mag-September, nag-topic na kami, di ba? Ganun tayo, one day ahead. So I know a lot of people have been feeling down and out maybe the past few months, and especially this past few weeks. Are you feeling it? Have you been feeling it? Have you been making it real in your life? But basically, I think the energy is there. Merong certain energy right now that like a lot of people are contemplating on, Earth is tiring, and it's kapoy na to exist in this world. So do you have that kind of feeling? Do you have that kind of feeling?
For me, Earth, kapoy, no. Not anymore. Maybe for the past years, we had that. But because of our secrets, because of our tools, so somehow, nakasugakod lang yung mga sis.
So true. That's why we're confident about this topic, because it doesn't mean we're always laughing. Our lives have been, like smooth sailing or something like that. We also have emotions. It's just that ngayon lang parang we're like breezing through everything because yun nga, sa na-mention ni Zai, we have tools and we have been using the tools. Useless po yung sinishare namin yung tools, tapos ay hindi man siya nag-work, ginamit mo ba? Kung one day mo lang siya ginamit, syempre hindi talaga yan siya mag-work. Again, it's just like taking a bath. If once ka lang mag-take ng bath, di ba, aamoy ka pa rin mangangamoy ka pa rin after a week, lalo na sa country natin na mainit. So, if there are situations, we kind of like, you know, nasa sense natin, so we have to constantly reset. So that's why kinoconnect namin yung sunya at suicide kasi what helped us personally, me personally, okay, I cannot talk about for Darlene and Zai, but for me, what helped me personally is my daily practice of sunya. So if I have thoughts of wanting to leave the earth, which is very recent, it's not as painful as it is before. Like parang grabe talaga yung parang oh my God, I really want to end my life like that. But unlike, pero I've experienced it the past 2 weeks, I think. Pero it's not the same as before. The feeling is not the same as before. So parang I have become the observer of my thoughts and response to things. Like, kasi automatic kasi na reaction atin as human beings if we don't like a situation. Ayoko na, I give up. So it's, and then, ano yan?
Change of voice.
Yes, change of voice. Ayoko na, ganyan. So, what helped me and what I've noticed is that my daily sunya practice have paid off. So, this is something that we want to share to you na, oh my gosh, it's good. But of course, sinishare ko na kasi na-overcome ko yung isang phase for the year. I thought I'm not gonna have those kind of thoughts, but it happens. Dumadaan siya. But you don't have to make it so real. But the wonderful thing is, I just allowed it. Wala siyang parang, I have to stop the way I think. Parang, ayoko, dapat hindi ako nag-iisip ng ganito. Wala siyang ganon. No stopping of, but actually I just allowed myself, and I have a wonderful support team here. I have Darlene, I have Zai, and my mother who was like, wala lang, kanang parang gi-allow lang po niya kay dako naman na si Tina.
And gi-allow po niya yourself.
Yes, and my mother also allowed herself. So that's the thing. So this is something we're sharing, no, that ito yung for me tangible for now. So Sunya has helped me a lot in terms of like thoughts of that. So maybe Zai and Darlene has something to add to that. Like, what's your experience?
Muna.
Sige.
Check lang. Darlene muna.
Darlene. Sige.
Just like Ate Tagalog or
Longer. Parang louder.
Loud.
Sorry guys. Longer guys. Louder.
So just like Ate, it's Sunya has helped me deal with depression, the thoughts. It's not as bone deep ang hurt ba, and it's like it's just a phase. Kanang after it, kanang there's no walay ka nang marag remnant ko na ni agi ka atong depression. Ato ako from my experience, that's my experience with depression and how Sunya has helped me and the other tools in my journey of before I was really intense akong depression. Although
what's the source of your depression?
The source of my depression is actually, I realize it's in the mismatch between my reality and my expectation. So I want this there's a situation, and then I have an expectation of how things will go, or how I will react, or how other people would react, but then they don't follow my script. So that's and that's very automatic sa utok, and then boom, masad ka na, and then wala ka balong ano ka na sad. Tungod lang dito sa certain thing, as small as a comment or something that will trigger memories that you don't even remember. So that's where of my suffering comes from. So when I start to go into depression or have those thoughts, I know that I am not happy with something in my reality, or I have a certain expectation that I'm not facing. So Sunya has helped me, para intrinsic siya na mag-clear. So I have a higher moral tolerance now for because I didn't know, I was very controlling of my environment. Now I still have those, but it's not as intense, and episodes are less in frequency, pero I can't say it's
before you get sad and don't talk to people, how many days?
Days? Siguro mag-weeks.
She won't talk to people for weeks and go silent, like wala lang, ganyan.
And
so
no one will know na I'm depressed.
No one will know.
You know, okay, you know, gani. Sige, you know daw.
Allowance lang. Ganun lang talaga. Confidence and trust sa Darlene.
So, yun. So, yun yung aking, my depression story and how all this has helped. And Zai?
Yeah, Zai has something to add.
Yung allowance ba yun yung may pera?
Zai?
Binibigyan niyo siya ng allowance like money?
Pwede din.
Maganda din yun, yung allowance na pera. Gusto natin yan.
We like that. So,
yes,
ngayon,
so mas money.
Oo. So, ngayon din, ilang araw ka na lang, ngayon, Darlene, ilang araw na lang to talk with people.
Yung aking recent, is 3 days. It's 3 days. 3 days, pero I'm processing. And I'm still talking, still functioning, still doing my duty.
Functional.
Oh yes, functional. But I process things and clear as many attachments. Yun yung aking dun sa 3 days. But after the 3 days, there's no like before when I get into depression, there's that heartache, as if yung heart would physically break.
Or your heart, you want to eject your heart out.
Yes.
That feeling. That feeling like you want your heart to vomit the heart. So I don't know if anybody, I think that is a heartbreak, guys. So heartbreak ata na siya. Pero that's also one of the cause of depression. Like you want to vomit your heart. And now I don't feel that anymore. Like if someone offends, I find offense in someone, like, okay, hindi na siya
penetrate.
It won't penetrate my heart anymore. So I think Sunya has really developed a lot of resiliency in my heart space and emotion space, that I am able to be more of an allowance to people. Like, okay, it doesn't have to be true for me, what they're talking about me or what they're saying about me or their judgments of me. It doesn't have to be true about me. It's their opinion. Okay, that's them. Sometimes kasi one of the things we get, we get depressed is we make things personal. Like if someone made a comment, and then pinipersonal mo na, pero yung sa tao na yun, yung nag-comment, it wasn't really, meant to, it was just, may na-trigger lang siya. So, but of course, we're not discounting people who are also undergoing clinical depression, people who are diagnosed with depression, yes, and who have professional help. One of the reasons why also people have that is malnutrition. Okay? So malaking factor talaga ang nutrition, what you are eating and what you are ingesting. Because our body is basically composed of minerals and water. And so if we don't have proper nutrition and there's like a lot of imbalance in our body, tapos we have emotional and mga relationships pa around us. So that's why a lot of people go into depression, and it's taking them a long time to recover because yun nga, hindi maganda yung diet at yung food, meaning the food that you're ingesting is also not. So
Not supporting.
malaking factor din the food that you take, you know? So if you're always eating junk, you're always eating junk and then you have these emotions pa, so mas malaking chances that, you know, your body or your system will malfunction. And yun na yun nga yung ating tinatawag na clinical depression. So yun. So maybe Zai has something to add to that. Yeah.
Diba? Oo nga, kasi when we eat also
Zai?
chocolate, when we eat our favorite food, so minsan nagba-brighten up ang ating day. Yun pala, cravings lang pala talaga yun. Kaya
Yes.
get
Sa hot.
minsan ganun yung tarot. So, yeah. Ang
Diba?
aking...
So that's people when they feel this. Sige,
Ano
sige,
yan?
please.
Yeah,
Ano ba?
so, there.
You, wala.
Going back sa iyong first question, the feeling of getting tiredness sa earth, not at all, not as I remembered. So, pero, getting tired of drama around me. But when I started practicing sunya, unlike other meditations, it's easier for me to detach. And also, we also have other tools like, diba, the access consciousness. And yes, the food also, and the food supplements help. So yeah, for now, we just observe our emotions, what we feel right now. And if we want to cry, we cry.
Yes.
And that's me. If I feel like yung kapoy in a sense that I'm tired of dealing with the same stories for years. So parang I just observe how I respond to that familiar situation. And then Sunya really helped. Okay, that the attachment ba, like, and then we get to choose the 10-second increments, you know. So yeah, in a way it really helped me kasi if not for these tools, parang we are also in the field of like holistic na business, diba? Or holistic scamberloo. So we are in this business. If hindi rin naman tayo, if we are not resilient, if we are too sensitive, too emotional, we have so much time to buy all the drama in the world without detaching ourselves. That is also not nice and unkind to ourselves. Well, Sunya really helps to keep us grounded, keep us where we should be, not buying all the BS around you. Like what you've said, if somebody gives an offensive comment sa iyo, na pwede ka ma-offend. Ganito kasi kami ni Tina mag-usap like, feeling ko na-offend ako. Wait lang, na-offend ba ako? So we get to review is it really offensive, or was I really offended, or really should I, what emotion, or how should we respond to that? So kasi sometimes we don't care. Okay. Ana ra siya. Tapos, diba? So later pa mag-sink in na, ay wait, okay, dapat din na-offend ko. So it's like that. That's actually Sunya. We, like what Dr. Lee mentioned, we don't practice feelings. Kasi when we invest too much feelings on things, lugi tayo. And that's where depression, quote unquote, kanang mubida na siya, it sinks in. And then we as human beings, we love to put labels on everything. Diba? So in Sunya, we don't do that. It's just, these are just thoughts. We're just observing our thoughts. It's really helpful.
So true. And there's also this one, I know, just picking up on what you just said about we're not investing on feelings. In a sense that we acknowledge that feelings are there, meron tayong emotions, but we don't stick to it like, for example, angry ka ng 2 months, that is unkind to your body. Tapos yung event na nangyari sa'yo is only how many seconds, and then you are stuck in that event for how many years. And to some people, naka-move on na sila, ikaw hindi pa. So, something like that. And of course, we're not also discounting people na, ay, so meaning di na dapat pala kami ma-offend. Of course, iba-iba tayo ng process. What we mean is that you take into this mga criticisms and judgments, but then acknowledge them, allow them, receive from their judgments. But it doesn't mean what they're saying has to be true for you. Kung may nagsabi sa'yo, pangit ka, hala kayo, iba man talaga ang perception sa I'm beautiful. So, okay lang. I mean, I don't have to defend myself if someone tells me I'm pangit. So, sa kanya yun, di ba? So, hindi na din natin sila i-discount na masama siyang tao kasi nagbigay siya ng comment na hindi maganda. Ano na din yun, ikaw na yung nag-judge. Okay, you're judging the person. So, yeah, we cannot really emphasize again the awesomeness, hindi naman, the benefit of the daily practice. Kasi you will get into this point and hirap na siya explain. Kaya sabi ni Dr. Lim, sabi niya, diba, it's hard to explain what happens talaga or what's the possibility of sunya for you. Kasi you only get the possibility when you practice it. So, etong live post that we're doing right now is that it's just to encourage more people. If you don't feel well and
you feel that something is wrong or
something is wrong about you, you feel like you against the world, di ba yan yung usual problem, like lahat kalaban mo, yung gano'n. So,
or you feel everything is plastic.
Yes, and you feel like humanity is parang there's no hope in humanity, ang sama-sama na ng mga tao. And a lot of millennials right now are very depressed, especially when it comes to environment. We get so attached with, di ba alam mo yun, nade-depress. We get so, you know, parang, ano ba tong humans? So you feel that kind of thing. And the sunya practice will support you. Not to make your experience, not to discount your experience, because you have a unique experience. We honor that. We honor your journey. But if you want to be in that space, like in our space right now, where we just observe our thoughts now, dyan na kami na level na, okay, ito pala yung ano. So, kahit umiiyak kami, pero we're like, also, even though we're crying, we're like looking at the thoughts and like, this and that, but I'm observing my thoughts at the same time. So, it's a funny experience. Yeah, funny, but at the same time, very real. But it doesn't have to stay. But again, you don't have to stay long in that situation. Like parang one day you just, not one day, parang the next day or the next hour you just wake up and like, okay, who are you fooling, Tina? Parang meron siya mga ganun na conversation. So who are you fooling? Why are you doing this to you? This and that. So yeah, what emotions are you making real right now? So then come yung mga questions. So yun. So maybe Zai, Darlene.
Yes, true. What emotions are you making real? So yeah, and it's also unhealthy, no, to it's not healthy to like to stay in that space na parang you keep on blaming yourself, you keep on blaming the world for whatever is happening to you, on you. Ganyan. So anyway, yeah, again, we are not discounting your emotions, but what if you take a pause and you just detach, you just attach to the label that you put yourself with, like you are depressed, you are super duper sad. What if those are just passing moments in your life?
What if it doesn't have to be hard?
Yes, and what if it doesn't need to be real?
And what if you're not wrong? I mean, if you have those emotions, what if, I think one of the way na nade-depress tayo is because um, we judge ourselves being depressed. Alam mo yon, like I'm so sad, I'm so alone. And then you judge yourself having those thoughts.
And that sadness is wrong.
And then that sadness is wrong, anger is wrong, and you make yourself wrong for having those emotions. But what if you are not wrong? What if it doesn't have to be hard? What if you can just allow this emotion? Ano yan?
And what if we do not judge you today?
That's the most of our reaction also stems from judgments of ourselves, not just the judgments that other people have for us, but also us. You know, we like hindi actually it's us. It's us mostly. It's our judgments. It's our judgments of ourselves. Kasi yeah, yung mga comments ng ibang tao, parang, bakit yan ang feeling mo? Diba ganon? Hindi ko dyan yung mean ko. Diba? I'm sure you have an experience that you said something and it wasn't even personally launched or directed at that person. Pero that person felt like, oh my God, that's mine. I'll make that real. And then nag-emote na siya. Tapos, na-offend ka pala nun? That wasn't my intention and the person is not aware. And yeah, and it's also, yeah, parang strained din masyado ang mga friendships, lalo na ngayon. Like, strained masyado ang friendship. Like, you cannot say something because your friend might get offended. So, how can your friends be true? And then you want your friends to be true. But then you get offended if they are true to you. So, I think let's also dabble on that. Like, acknowledge that part na wala talaga akong totoong friends. Pero kung totoo naman sila and they say something that you find offensive, you don't like it. So of course, they won't say something that is true for you. Kasi minsan, the truth hurts. If that is really your friend will tell you, hoy, day, ay pagsigig yung mandera. Diba? So that's how you usually correct each other. Like, Darlie, she will tell me, huy, sigig ko andera. Mag-aara siya.
Pero jokingly.
Pero in a fun way, with an allowance energy. So again, even talking about this, we're like also thinking, oh my God, someone might get offended, and because yeah.
Also, what I realized about my depression or sadness or whatever or labels is that I get something from it. Like I can control or manipulate.
Actually, there's a benefit. There's a benefit to sadness and depression.
Yeah, actually, it's like a victim label. Like I'm labeling my. You see, how do I explain this? I think it would be.
So there's an agenda.
Agenda.
Yes, unconsciously there is. Okay, right. I just recently learned that sometimes I have this. It's a pattern actually. There are triggers that cause my reaction to be detached from everyone else, and it's because I want to get something from them, or I want to get I want them to respond a certain way, and when I do that, they respond the way I want them to respond. So that's one thing that you can siguro think about or bring awareness. Maybe you're not you don't know that you're doing it because you get something from it, and nobody talks about it. Nobody's telling. Nobody is. So there's not much venue for us to talk about things like this openly, and I hope you get something from this.
Yeah,
and it will assist you.
And if you're feeling down and out and you want to reach out to us, we are offering our doors of Fox Tribe. You can actually message us if you want yourself to be anonymous, or I mean, we will be taking care of your privacy, of course. At the same time, we have a lot of calls, Zoom calls, free Zoom calls, mga free. We also have free consultations, not medical consultation, okay? Go to a proper doctor if it's really something beyond, okay? So
we're community.
yes, if you need a community or a support, but yeah.
Tita Jenny
So yeah, so we have a team in Fox Tribe that can assist and support you, and we have assisted so many also, and now they are like us, we're creating and creating and creating. And if we have emotions, yes, we talk to each other about it, and we have a group to share too. So if you need that kind of support in your life, so andito kami, we're opening our doors. You can just private message us. And if you're shy, ayaw mo sa group page, kahit ako ilan lang kami yung admin dyan. So, pwede kang message sa amin. O, sige. So, yun. Meron tayong mga comments dito. We have viewers from different countries and cities. We have Fahila. Hi, Fahila. Yes, you're one of our Fox awesome sister.
in India.
Our Fox sister in India.
Japan.
Yes. And we have Jabez of Digos. Ayan. Jabez Tita Nena of Zamboanga. Prosperity Vanessa of Binangoonan. Hi. And of course, Ate Jenny of Davao City. Mr. Larry Apolinario. Ma'am Luella of Boracay. Ayan. Kuya Richard of Santiago Isabela. Ayun.
Tito Herbert.
We have Raja KV.
Tito Herbert Alianza.
Yes, of Jensen. And yes, so Tita Tata, hello then. And here's a comment from Ate Jenny. Sunya clears the unhealthy thoughts, trauma, and drama. It's indeed a tool to reset our state of mind. And sometimes you question na lang, is this my ego or just other people's point of view I'm trying to make real for myself? Yes, so true. So that's why we're recommending for everybody to do sunya. And if someone is in immediate, parang, you know, like immediate support aside from sunya, kasi yung iba din kasi may not be in the mental space to do sunya. Kasi sabi ni Dr. Lim, sunya is one way to test whether your mind is, you know, depressed or not. So if you cannot complete a 9 to 0, you need a professional help. So if you're doing sunya and you cannot complete 9 to 0 for succeeding days, alam mo yun, yung ilang days, hindi mo talaga siya ano. So yes, maybe you need professional help. Seek your a family member or someone you trust, someone you trust. So when you seek also support from other people, what we suggest is that wag lang din tayo mag-expect that they will help us right away the way we want them. Because sometimes meron din tayong mga expectations na dapat tulungan niya ako the way, you know, and this is something true for being depressed. Like, I'm doing, you recognize that someone is wrong also. So yan talaga yan. And also, we're recommending you take the Poria mushroom. This is awesome for people who, yan, dapat makita yung mukha ni Darlene. So this is Poria mushroom. It's an awesome support for people who are undergoing anxiety or depression, or if you cannot sleep. If you cannot sleep, this is awesome. It makes you sleep like a baby. Kasi one thing na maka-imbalance sa'yo is if you don't get enough sleep. So medyo ano ka dyan, marami kang thoughts yan. So it doesn't mean this is the cure, okay? We're not saying this is a cure. This will aid you, and then you do the work. After you can sleep, kasi nakatulog ka na, you can sleep, do sunya, do the work, talk to a counselor, talk to someone whom you can trust, and go through the process. And at the same time, remember to take fruits. Fruits are very, very awesome support in your mental health. Kasi you need live light food. Okay, so fruits as much as possible. If someone in your family is also undergoing depression, stay away from junk food and meat. Muna, wag mo muna para hindi lang sila masyadong, hindi babagsak yung for the meantime. It doesn't mean bawal. It's just that if they have episodes, cut it down and then introduce fruits, to their system. And of course, Poria. And if you're very you can use Ganoderma talaga. RGGL, Reishi Gano, and Ganoderma lucidum. And of course, spirulina. Kasi spirulina has niacin. And niacin is awesome for, mga mental health concerns. So, again, don't take our word, of course. We're not doctors. We're just suggesting that you can add this. But again, consult your medical physician or your guiding physician about this matter. Yan. So, mga tips lang ito na Pero of course, if grabe na yung case nung nyo, please refer to the experts of that areas. Yes, to medical professionals. Ayon. So, hello, yes, Aurora, Alexander. Hello, Rose.
Yes, hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I just like to add sa Poria because it was also mentioned by Dr. Lim last year when he introduced Sunya here in Davao City. He talked about Poria and how the kidneys and how the kidneys and the lungs are related. So I just found here an article, maybe basahin ko lang konti. How ang function ni ang kanyang contribution sa ating mga luha, baget. So yes. It is important to remember that there is a spirited and symbolic relationship between all the liquids or fluids and the emotional aspect of our lives. In truth, all the situations that lead us to cry are ultimately processed by the action process of the kidneys. So ayun, ang mga emotional daw na ang mga lahat ng situations that lead us to cry, it is actually processed doon sa ating kidneys. It takes the action process of our kidneys.
Yeah.
So metaphysically, the process of filtration alludes to the ability to exercise discernment, the selection of what can be used and what should be sifted out to be eliminated from the system. So si kidney ang nag-select. So yes, that's why it's really good
to the kidneys next. So the connection of that.
Yes.
So true. So thank you for adding that scientific info, Zai. And with that connection, what Zai has shared, the kidney has a wonderful has an function emotionally and related to our tears. Tama ba? Is that it?
Yeah.
Was that it? So the Poria is awesome for the kidney. So that's why yung mga tao na medyo may problema in mag-ihi, they always urinate at night. When they take the Poria, they regulate their body. So they are not disturbed when they sleep. And then when you're taking this, you're really knocked down, like zero dreams, no dreams at all. Like when you wake up, it's like it's morning na. No interruption, not interrupted sleeping. So we'd like to honor and acknowledge, our Crown Ambassador, Rafael, Embajador Corona of Latin America, the first Crown Ambassador. Hello, Shifu. So yan ang aming mga Shifu talaga, mga Crown Ambassadors. And hello, Vanessa of A&V Cafe. Ayan, awesome. What else is possible? How does it get any better than this? That we have billionaires watching us. We're so energy pool. So guys, you're watching with Crown Ambassador. Our Crown Ambassadors are always there to support us. and awesome contributions from our Crown Ambassadors. You know, Mr. Rafael is really one of our inspirations when it comes to earnings here in DXN, diba? Ayan. So, hello everybody. Are you still there?
Yes.
So, we are, yes, promoting Korea. So, if you have like mga concerns, for kidney, this is good for kidneys and good for lungs. So this is our product for the day, and our tool for the day is Sunya. And so that this will aid you if you have like suicidal thoughts. And this is in relation to World Suicide Prevention Month. So yes, and of course, congratulations to all the DXN Service Center na nag-hit ng millions.
Yay,
Yeah, hey, congratulations to all the DXN Service Centers who have hit their targets and all the leaders who have hit their targets. This is the cut-off month. It's August 31, 2020. And yes, tomorrow is another month to rock on and, you know, enjoy our business. How much fun can we have and how much fun can we create with our DXN business? And if you enjoy our team, our tribe here in the Fox Tribe, and if you want to grow with an awesome community with beautiful people, with Zai, using DXN products, and if you're seeing our faces right now, it's all beautiful because of our Gem Puri, Ganoshi E series, our Aloe Vera skincare series, M Miracle series. So all the foxes are taking that and using that because every time we beautify our face, we make money. Because people would love to give you money if you're pretty. Joke.
So we receive.
So we receive. So ayun yun siya. So wala, we're just having fun, everybody. So ayun. Sige, please. What are you guys? Korea.
Also,
yes, it's your turn.
Sunya and Poria for your mental health. And since nagpa-plug na tayo, I just want to plug my body's talk tomorrow. DXN Interactive live stream not tomorrow, on Wednesday, September 2, 2020, Wednesday at 3 o'clock. Yes, with Executive Senior Star Diamond Richard Laurente. Diba?
Yay! Kuya Chad is going to be talking about DXN and the LGBT community and how he has used his uniqueness and creativity in doing the DXN business in regards to the LGBT community and how relevant it is to the community. So yes, please watch Kuya Chad's live stream live at DXN Philippines, and ako naman tomorrow for Gem Puri series yung Gem Puri, the third part, the third step of Gem Puri. Ako yung and I've been I will be with Miss Mercy Keding, the daughter of our ambassador Jaime Keding. Ayan. Yes. Tomorrow ako, 3 p.m. Ayun. FB Live. It's an FB Live, so you will be seeing it on DXN Philippines. And also, I have another guesting. So, maradyo dig mga artista, guys. Pero anak ginang Fox Tribe, mga artista gimitan na rin. So, I have another guesting this Friday, September 4, with DXN Malaysia. Ayan, to be interviewed, I think, with Miss Joanne. I will be with Miss Joanne Nicolaso, diba? So, ang beauty talaga na Fox Tribe is international. And then, of course, September 5 naman, I will be playing with the next gen. I think it's around 1 p.m. Oh my God, guys, I also make mistake.
1 p.m.
Nigawa sa pagkabisaya na ulaw ko. Pinakalit. Pero wala na pag dili na makadepress ako ang kanang 1 p.m.
1 in the afternoon.
1 in the afternoon. Dito ito PM guys. 1 in the afternoon. And tomorrow, we have a premiere video by Dwayne, our Fox Immortal, Dan Wayne Chan, the son of Fox Goddess Zai and Fox Immortal Haigaad natin na si Darwin Chan. Ayan. So, meron siyang cover ng SB19 na Go Up. Yeah, we gonna go up. O, diba? So, kami ang mga, Fox Tita. O, diba? Ng SB19. So, Fox Tita kami. Alam ko 18 ang fans club, pero sorry, Fox Tita kami. Kasi Fox kami. So, yun. Just, So, yun. Yes, we hope you watch us and enjoy. And, we have a lot of events for you. Even during the pandemic, meron na po tayong mga mini events. And, but of course, with observance of COVID protocols, meron tayong mga social distancing, mask, and gloves, and of course, hand sanitizers all around. And we always sanitize our area for your own use. And, yan. This will not stop us. This will create more for us in terms of health, wealth, and happiness. Ayan. So,
I'll just like to honor and acknowledge my buddy, Ate Vanessa, for her talk last.
And acknowledge,
Bane.
yes, tama. Alo, Bane, for your wonderful, inspiring talk and your journey of being a service center director and a DXN leader. You are very inspiring. From us, the Fox, and I know you are one of the Foxes, of course. Yes, from your Fox tribe, we honor and acknowledge you. Ayan.
Naligaw siya sa PM.
Lagi, mugawas ginang Bisaya, guys. Dili na mo siya matago. So, this is being authentic. Hindi tayo nagpa-fake ng mga accent, but sometimes we can play with our accent if you want it British. If I want it Australian, I can also do it with a twang. So,
I can do it.
So, and anyway, gutom lang yun ko, guys. It's 8:43. And,
ng Chinese song. Sampulan mo ng Chinese song.
Ano?
Sampulan mo nga ng Chinese song.
Fang Ching. O sige, sample ng Chinese song. Fang Ching Ching Chui San Tian Di Fan Kai Shan Da Wan Chang Na No Basayo. O, diba? So I can do Chinese. I can do Spanish also. Andavamos ya corazón no temas no temas habla tener. O, diba? So yun ang aming mga multilingual possibilities. Pwede pa mag-Bisaya.
Masabdan to ni Rafa.
Me parece que tengo 1000 opciones, no sé a quién volveré a ver. O, diba? So yun, walang filter, walang yun ang natural. Ganun. So Zai, ikaw po, sa manaoy. Ikaw, snippet. Go up.
Marimar.
Unicorn Club.
Sige, darling, ano ni mo? Pila ka popular. Amazing things. Di akalain sa'yo pala ay may pagtingin. Di man narinig. O, diba? Ano na lang, good me.
Update. Didn't you say you're going to do the update?
Oh, updates. What's update?
Once a month.
Oh, yeah, sorry. We will do updates. Updates pala tayo ngayon. So, there are many changes to our programs. Our Midnight Unicorn Club will be now once a month na lang. So, it's gonna be happening every first Monday of the month. Okay, Midnight Unicorn Club. So, magagather muna kami ng mga questions. And then, our Sisterhood of the Rose Calls will also be once a month, which is gonna happen every third Wednesday of the month. So what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? And thank you all to our viewers. Sila Fanny, the ladies are watching us, and the goddesses are watching us, and Kuya Chad and Bane. Ayan. And of course, shout out to my buddies, si Ate Arian and Ate Jerry, who are both very busy right now kasi cut off, so hindi ko muna sila ginugulo kasi mga service center director sa aking body. And ikaw din, service center din ang body mo pala. Oo. So, ayun. Awesome, guys. So, we hope to see you again. Do you have something else on your plate that you want to share before we end our transmission?
Si Darlene then service center director din sa kanya. Ang body niya.
Yes. Lahat ng bodies pala natin are mga service center directors. Yes. How did we get so lucky that our Fox Tribe is surrounded by a lot of service center directors who are very fun, loving, creative, maganda at guwapo. Ayan po yung aming requirement.
And always cash landing on.
And always remember, guys, to
let the cash land.
Let the cash land on you all the time. So, ayan. So, yes, Zai, meron ka pang i-share before we end? Nawala ka na. You will go.
So, yes, for your mental
we don't
health.
have Midnight Unicorn session.
Yes, we
So
don't have
tonight,
Midnight Unicorn.
we don't have any Midnight Unicorn session. Ayan. So, just to remind you, kasi baka naghanap kayo ng link. So, wala po tayong link tonight. So, next week na po yung ating Midnight Unicorn. And we will be, ang topic pa din natin is about Suicide Prevention Month. So, in lieu to that, yan po yung ating, for the whole month, I think we'll be dabbling into that and supporting people, and to tell you guys that you are not alone. So even if we're, happy here, we're also going through the same thing. It's just that we have tools to move forward. It doesn't mean we don't feel it. We feel it. It's just that we have tools to get over it, So yeah, what else is possible, and how does it get more than this? And we hope to see you
on
our next Zero Fox Given. See ya, and we hope to bring in more foxes for you. See ya, blessings, and namaste. Salamat sa mga nanood.